All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Rookie Truck Driver Life. Okay, try that again. Good afternoon, everybody. It is 9:59 Central Standard Time. We are in Missouri. Viola, or Rolla, something like that. I don't know. We're somewhere in Missouri. So yeah, we're gonna go get fuel. I just did my 30-minute break and I have not been recording or anything because of the simple fact that I need to get fuel. Oh, why am I not on duty? Yes, confirm changes, please. Alright, we are on duty now. Now I can get to fuel. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Everybody's going to this. I'm gonna go here and find out. I don't know if these are good fuel, if this feels good or what. I've arrived at a fuel stop. I've got to check to see what I'm going to get. Now I don't know if this little spot right here is going to be fuelable. However, it doesn't look like there's no sign saying that it's not working. So we're gonna do it. Roaming up the stairs. Truck here. We're gonna do a little post trip. I'm driving for a little bit now. Let's get the rest of this fuel going. It's weird. I'm driving the Freightliner and we all know I love the Kenworth, but I think it's a good idea that I just kind of stick it out with the Freightliner for a little while, even though I really want a Kenworth. Y'all remember the old Variant truck that I used to drive, right? Mother trucking dog. Yeah, just like the old one, except it's older. This one's a 2020, and it has 200 and something thousand miles on it. You know, I'll put it up on the screen what that mileage is on the truck. But bear with me, it'll probably be different by the time I edit this video. So whatever's on the screen is how many miles I have at the time of editing. Oh, this is the way we drive in the rain. We are driving in the rain because we gotta get to where we gotta go. 512 miles till we get to our final destination. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go all the way, or at least as far as I can go, because if I do 237 miles, I'm pretty sure, I want to say it's like 3.5 hours, 4 hours. We are basically dropping this load off in Dallas. Well guys, we stopped for the day. We went through that rain a little bit ago. That was kind of cool. But we stopped at a place called Big Cabin. It happens to be one of my favorite resting stops to sit at when I'm out here on the road. Not only do they have good food, which we'll get to that here in a little bit, but they do have like a lot of parking. There's the place over there. They got like a little gift shop and all that. It's pretty cool. But they also got this, it's a statue, not a thing, it's a statue. But yeah, the statue is really, really tall. Well, I didn't get to show any food, to be exact, because I kind of ate and I was kind of just literally finished eating and relaxed and came back to the truck. So we'll be arriving in Texas tomorrow. We got 302 miles to do, and it's gonna be a fun trip. Tonight they're calling for thunderstorms. We're in a level 2 warning area. I'm not sure what that means. I'm kind of not nervous about it, but also like, oh crap, we could have a tornado. Obviously if we do, I'll film it or try to. If not, if you don't see anything after this other than me driving, then you know that the storms didn't happen. Just trying to get it to where I can. There we go. Now it's going where I want it. But it's like bouncing. Clutch overheating. Yeah, I know. These Freightliners always do this. At least this one anyways. When we're backing up a hill, so we're just trying to make sure that we're good here, which we are good. Yeah, see? It's lined up perfectly.